Ano, sir? Blue.
Rebound 32.
White. Rebound. 6.
Ten to shoot. Shot clock 5 seconds. Traveling violation.
Turnover. Free kick. Patay.
2 points. Assist 7-3. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Bang.
Rebound 73.
Lamig ah. Patay.
Rebound.
Joseph.
Rebound 44.
Pinagpinira.
Norio sa blind.
Ma'am, thank you po. Norio.
Dribbling violation.
Babahin sa atin.
Marami.
Mamahid pa naman ang mga ano.
10 to shoot. Shot clock 5 seconds. 72 points.
Norio. Assist.
Wala, yun.
Bang.
44 points. Assist 31.
Set. Set sila. Taas.
Rebound 44. 73 2 points. Assist 44. Steal. 44. Ano ba?
Malakas. Pagod sa
Rebound 73. Rebound 32.
Ted.
Foul. Number 3.
Jay. Gusto niya rin sa sapatos ng ganyan. Yun.
Ano yung Nike ba yun?
Pasok yun.
Logo na yun? Isa.
Sino? Cerces? Hindi, ano yan, pre? New Balance. Uy, black!
Black, number 83. 52 points. Foul. 73. Substitution. Substitution.
Call sa'yo.
Sino?
83.
73.
73.
Isa pa lang. Ano tig-isa pa lang. Warning nila. Warning.
Kala ko sumusunod.
Foul. Number 46.
46. Gawin. Rebound. Ay, si Ma'am Teres nandun na sa taas. eh. Ma'am Teres.
Malamig kasi dito eh.
Out of bounds.
Cover.
Ten to shoot. Five to shoot. 2 points.
Pasok pa. Good. Defensive rebound.
Number 6 ba?
Out of bounds.
Hindi. Ah, wala. Turnover. Patrick. Tapos. O, di ba si Sir Nelson eh, no? So, ma'am. Ma'am.
3 2 points.
Kahit di na, sir. Ma'am, kahit di na.
First quarter pa lang.
Ah, first quarter pa. Ah, sige, sir.
Kailangan tambakan muna bago pahinga. Pinche oh.
Rebound 7-3.
Diretso mo na!
Basket.
Defensive rebound 7-3.
Oh!
2 points. 46.
Kili-kili shot.
Assist everyone.
Malupit talaga.
Kuha ba yun?
Kili-kili shot eh.
Rebound number 6. Third one, 2 points.
Yun.
Rebound 7-3. Rebound 0. Defensive rebound 23.
Joseph.
32 points.
Defensive rebound.
Paulin mo.
Dos.
Dapat. Joey, paulin mo. Para makapasa na.
Joseph.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 2 points.
Kaya last again.
Final 46 substitution. 1 for penalty. Substitution.
Ay, dalawa na. Dalawa na foul niya. Joel.
Joel.
46. Dalawa na.
Second foul, 46. Substitution. Three. Number 30.
Paso ni Sipan. Sipan.
Ano, si Joseph.
Foul basket. Foul 0.
First foul.
First foul 0.
Zero pala. Perfect. Tambak. Malakas siya. Joseph.
On the clock, 15 seconds.
Wala.
5 seconds. Steven, 23. Zach, 44.
Relax niya. Wala.
Nag-sample kanina, di ba? Hindi, nag-sample. Foul yan, boss. Boss. 46, foul yun. 46. Walang jumble, may foul. Si 46. 10-0. Foul, foul.
Ikaw.
Dalawa to.
Same ball. Shot clock, 15 seconds.
Maon.
23 2 points. Assist, 58.
Tagal-tagal lang kami. Tira.
Steve, 32. 58 2 points.
Ayun na.
Sis. Steam nga niya. Steam assist.
50 2 points.
Bawi ka agad eh. Ay!
Out of bounds.
Pilay si Sir Rex eh. Ay ka.
10 to shoot.
Uy, sorry. 5-0.
Ball number 50.
Sa'yo. Marvin. Marvin.
50 nga, boss. 50.
First foul.
First foul.
First foul number 50.
Bang.
23 the points, assist 83. Rebound 23.
Rebound.
Tito, the points.
Kasi rebound niya pa.
Time out, right. Time out, right.
Nako, mahabol ah.
Everything that I see, I won't show my love anymore. Endlessly, I can't get over you. Your mom told me I won't show my love anymore. Endlessly, not your lover, girl, and you know. So different about me. Not your lover, girl, and you know.
Rebound 23.
Yun oh.
32 the points, assist 83.
Ching! Wala! Pinagay mo lang yan.
Ten shot back. 5 10 shot back. 2 points.
Okay na, napalitan mo na.
Number 15. Basically 2 points.
Sali, Chi.
She's 23.
Chi eh, no? Richie. Achi, Richie. Richie.
Rebound 23.
Black Norio, wala pang shoot ah. Basket.
Sino yun? Tira.
Rebound 23.
Rebound ni Chi.
Rebound 15.
Huli ka dyan.
Out of bounds.
Over. 21, 25. Sige po.
Rebound 15.
Huli.
Field 83. Central rebound 32. Foul number 6. Substitution.
Time out daw pre.
Sino?
Sila Cerces.
Paul siya yun.
Time out blue.
Ah, si John.
Jude. Time out ako. Time out.
I know exactly who you could be. Just hold on, don't go. Just hold on, don't go. It's hard to do, it's better.
Safe.
Sablay. Sablay pa rin.
Rebound 7-3.
Oy! Turnover. Wow.
Substitution. Take the shoot. Out of bounds. Still 0. Rebound 73. Rebound 21.
Ha? Chicken.
Defensive rebound 83. 77 2 points, assist 83. 31 2 points, assist 73.
Ah.
77 2 points.
Lupit ah.
Vision na.
Mabibigyan kasi.
Still 3-1. Foul basket. Foul 46.
Muna.
Third personal foul. 46 third foul. Defensive rebound 83. 2 points.
O, diba? Lamang na sila.
Oo nga. Nabaliktad na si Pastor.
Bumulis yung laro nila eh.
Time to shoot.
Hindi pwede magkampante.
3 seconds violation. Substitution.
Turnover.
Yan o. Si Zeus.
3 seconds.
Wala kasi si Fran sa kanila eh.
Oo. Bang!
Rebound 73. 2 points. 73.
All na.
Rebound 73.
Pwede magkampante dyan.
Out of bounds.
Gumanda yung laban ah. Pero konti lang yung score.
Defensive rebound 31. Rebound 0. Out of bounds. Shot clock 13 seconds. Substitution. Rebound 31.
Cesar.
10 to shoot. Rebound 21.
Banis.
Rebound 15.
Uy! Oh,
Defensive rebound 7-3. 2 points. Out of bounds. 6 seconds.
black ba yun? Tapik. Black yan.
Black may timeout pa sila yung puti.
Oh, isa. Meron.
Timeout White.
Sa loob mo naman yan.
Back to the ball game. 6 seconds.
Kapasok si Cesar. Papel.
No basket. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 15.
Ano na time?
Paul si ano? Si 50.
Basic foul nga.
Ano na? Second.
Pero paano yun? Hindi siya
Second foul number 15. Second foul.
Wala ka, not counted yun.
Pero wala free throw. May free throw. Basic foul nga. Paano yung free throw? Kaya natin eh. Basic foul nga pala.